I've traveled and cooked all over the world, but I've truly fallen in love with this beautiful Mediterranean island, Mallorca. My name is Jeff Harder, and I'm an American chef. So let's get cooking.
Well, and good morning to another episode of An American Chef in Mallorca. Today we're going to be doing a delicious cookie recipe that I'm going to kind of get a little crazy with. Very creative here on An American Chef in Mallorca. You may be noticing that my mouth and what I'm saying is not going perfectly together. Oh wait, let's look outside of the two little puppies we have. Sorry, just one little puppy there. I don't know where the other one is. Oh, aren't they cute? Well, so with the cookie recipe here that I'm kind of doing a voiceover, I'm going to be using maple syrup to give a different flavor, different texture, and a little bit of molasses, which is just delicious. Kind of is used in ginger cookies. I'm using oats in there also to cut down on the sugar, so it's kind of a mixture between an oatmeal cookie and a chocolate chip cookie, but there are no raisins in this, so don't you worry. Now I'll be adding 250 grams of butter. And this is El Presidente butter, which I think is the best that you can get here in Spain. Half a cup of dark brown sugar, half a cup of regular sugar, so it's a little less sugar because and some salt in there. Salt's very important. Now let it stir a little bit. Okay, we'll mix this. About 30 seconds. Oh, and look at the cute little puppies. Aren't they the cutest things in the world? But my wife has taken these in and has found homes for them. A couple friends of theirs. Adding eggs now. Don't forget to use the spatula. On the sides. Now a little vanilla. Of course, that gives it a nice flavor. Now the maple syrup. Again, I'll just give that a little deeper flavor than just two normal natural sugar. And now I add the baking soda now, which a lot of times they say in the dry ingredients, but I've been doing this for years, and I just kind of do it right then and there. Okay, here we go, scraping down the side. That's super importante. Okay, now I'm kind of just telling you about the importance of scraping down the side. The ingredients I've added, yeah, you know, scrape and mix and scrape and mix and yeah, so yeah, just keep mixing and scrape. Oh yeah, no, mix a little bit more, scrape it down. Okay, now we have some molasses that I'm putting in there. Actually give it, you know, a deeper flavor. Molasses is also very healthy for you, by the way, a lot of minerals and vitamins in there, and it'll make it a little darker as well, kind of give it a nice color. Okay, now I'm adding the flour. 1 cup flour. Actually, I put in 2 cups flour, 1 cup of the oats, and now we'll give that a mixeroo. Now adding some nuts in there, some cashews, walnuts, almonds, and why not? Those are the nuts that I had that were lying around, so I just decided to throw all those in there. And the more nuts, the better. Okay, now the chocolate, that's 70% chocolate, and here they really don't have those chips that you can get, so I just had to chop it up. Okay, that's done. Now how to wrap it up. And this is something I've done in restaurants with a lot of different things, making butters, flavored butters, or polenta. I've done this with polenta. I was kind of just doing like a sausage roll. Put it on there, and now start rolling it up. And then what's great about this is then you can cut it, into the cookies to put right on the pan. And this is for a barbecue that I'm going over to a friend's house, and and they have children, so I'm bringing these cookies over there that I kind of do every time I go over there for the kids, and they just love the cookies, of course, and so it's just a nice way to transport it. Okay, so we have this all wrapped up, ready to go. I'm not really quite sure what I'm talking about here, but it's probably what I just told you, that you just slice it, dice it, and it's ready to go. And then you can freeze that also if you want to put that in the freezer, and it can sit there, for a month or two. Take it out a little bit before, and then cut it. So I took this over to the friend's house, put it in the oven, 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. And yeah, they came out nice and moist and crispy. And of course, they were a big, huge success. So go ahead and make those and enjoy an American Chef Mallorca. And the cute little puppies that we have here. Oh, yes, they're so cute. Gonna miss these little guys when they're gone. They're just a couple months old. Okay, well that's a painting that I just did today. I have it drying out in the sun. I use a little cement with that black chalkboard paint that you can paint walls with, and it's chalkboard with a little white acrylic paint and a little red spray. And we'll see how many millions of dollars I can sell that for once I'm dead. Okay, so the chocolate chip cookie with 3 types of nuts, 4 different types of sweeteners, 2 different types of flours, and on and on and on. Delicious, moist, a little crispy around the edges. Oh, some nice chocolate in there, cashews, pecans, walnuts. Oh yeah. Maple syrup, molasses, brown sugar, white sugar. Delicious cookie. When you're baking, don't be afraid to just get crazy. Throw in a couple different ingredients, like maybe cardamom in here. I don't know, a little fresh ginger. You just get that one recipe you get from a cookbook and then go for it. And just experiment and expand your repertoire.
I'm a traveling